Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai. Guess you're going to get two videos today because I went to an open house over at Superfly Bonsai and had a great time and decided to take a beginner's bonsai course. Thought that would be something neat to try out. So I got some instruction. I got a plastic pot, I got free soil, I got a little piece of wire that we wrapped around it to make an apex, and I got a juniper nana. Sorry, Precumbens nana. I got one of them. So let me spin you around and show you everything that I got here. So for starters, right there's the little tree that I ended up making. I have some pictures that I'll probably pop up here around it that just show the little steps that we went through. It was pretty cool. We went through basically how to put the mesh together for the bottom and all that. It was really like a true beginner's course. So this is more or less going to be the back. This is going to be the front. They didn't have a cascade pot, but this one just really wanted to be a cascade. I mean, you get the trunk line, it comes up, runs over, continues to run down. So we're going to end up running this as a semi-cascade and get a good look out of that. While I was there, I did also grab some lime sulfur because I needed that. And I grabbed some new bonsai necessities cut paste because I wanted to give a try to this harder paste that's made. I thought that would be super cool to try out. And then this whole thing was all done over at Superfly Bonsai. And then this next thing that I'm going to show you here is absolutely amazing. Just wait a second. Alright, so here we are. I got this pot today from Alina Kristikova, and I hope I said that right. And I'm going to put a picture of her card over top of this here in a second, probably when I'm talking later on. But she did this whole sculpting on here. There's little frogs and lily pads, and it's got little grasses. And she said that they're not frogs, they're toads. It's little toads that are on here. I just thought that this was the coolest thing. And honestly, I have to get another blueberry tree because I think the blueberry will go perfect in here. If you get a good glimpse with the sun hitting it, it's got these nice blues and whites and then a darker brown, which could match well with the bark. So I picked up this little pot and absolutely gorgeous. So I wanted to share that with you guys. It's got some cool texture down on the inside as well. And she did put her little stamp down here at the bottom. There we go. Now I'm focused in on it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed looking at this little pot here. Just a little more view of the inside. And now I'm going to make you look at the tree while I put the picture of her business card in front of it. For real, check her out on Instagram and on Facebook. She also has her email attached to it, so if you're looking for any cool custom pots, I mean, check them out. She's got them all posted up on her Instagram, and she is from the US. Her pots are all coming out of Pennsylvania, I believe, is where she's located. That's where I'm located, and that's where I saw her today. So maybe I'm just tying things together that aren't true, but that's where I believe she's located. So, hope you enjoyed this super short video and the pictures and the pots and the tree and the sulfur and the cut paste and all the great times that I had today. There was actually also a presentation done today, and it was amazing. It was all on Shohin trees, and I got an opportunity to meet Not a Cedar Bonsai today, and that was cool. It was cool to meet somebody else who makes YouTube videos in person, so that was awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel, and if you really enjoy my content, hit the bell notification so you get notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.